Commercial buildings do not slow down for risk. Warehouses, offices, and industrial facilities need protection that works quietly, constantly, and without compromise. Behind every occupied floor and active facility, every connection, valve, panel, and line has to be checked with precision before small problems become costly ones. When protection is built into the routine, teams move faster, facilities stay open, and the people inside can focus on the work in front of them. Real confidence comes from knowing the building, the system, and the response are ready long before anyone ever needs to think about them. From office towers to industrial facilities, Ideal Fire Protection helps keep critical buildings ready for the people and work inside them. Visit idealfireprotection.com.